I have dreams sometimes about things that will happen, and I wake up terrified. Despair, death, destruction. This is even bigger than the last crisis.
An empire breathes respect. It requires it for its life. The Foundation is a threat to me.
I will look at them in the eye and reclaim what is ours.
For all of us to survive, we have to face them.
We need to be in the fight.
We fight for peace. Not because we fear we will lose, but because we know that if there is war, Seldon! We will win.
We are taking the planet!